What's up, everybody? This is Shay and Ashley back again with Hamilton's Hangar. Today we have the FMS A-10 version 1. We're going to do a quick ordnance flight on it here, guys. Never flown it with the ordnance yet, so we're going to get it up there and see how it does. Yeah, such an amazing bird. We barely got any of a breeze out here at the club, so the wind doesn't make up, but it's not making up its mind on what it wants to do. So, yeah, let's take off. Shout out to the Rich RC Informer, guys. If you haven't checked him out, go check him out. I'll link his description down low. He's a super cool guy, and yeah, his videos on this plane have just gone a long way. This jet, I mean, so. Alright, I moved my battery back a little bit last time, so we'll do that. Alright, taking off. A little bit of a help there, a little bit of a bounce. Gear's tucked in. Wow, this thing flies really nice even with the ordnance on there, guys. All right. Feels great. I do like my jets a little bit nose heavy, guys. I'm sure, but who doesn't, right? Rather be nose heavy than tail heavy, right? Success Power version 1, guys. I actually like this version a lot more than the V2, just because I'm not really, I mean, I got an Arctic camo, and it can just be hard to see. Alright. Sweet. Couple aileron trims there. Full power. All vertical. Wow. Just glides right down. There we go. Alright, so let's get down here because we're going to land down from left to right today. Gorgeous plane, guys. If you don't have it, I highly suggest it. Even though you can't get it anymore, get the version 2. Unlike the A-10 from Freewing, this one flies on 1 battery, guys, so it's just awesome. It's not the fastest bird in the world, but we're gonna bring it by for a slow, flat presentation. Wow. Oop. Anybody hear that?
Yeah.
Motor sounds like it's like giving out, guys. Landing ASAP. So we're up still. Motor's died out pretty much, it seems like, guys. Alright, we're landing her. Bringing her down. Dead power. So she landed fine. A little bit of a tip there. We're gonna go over here and check it out, guys. We don't know what the issue is with that, but you heard like a motor was giving out, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Doesn't it? So I like came down on the power, guys, and then I went to go back into the throttle when I was coming down for the low glide with the ordnance on. I'm gonna run up the power real quick and see if we hear anything, see if one of the motors is out. I'm really happy we got it down in one piece, guys. I was like super scared there, and it wasn't coming down over there. I didn't want to land in the beans. Well, I don't know what the issue is, guys, but I'm gonna get it open when I get home here in a little bit and check out what the problem is with the ESCs. Hopefully, maybe it sounded like. I don't know. Maybe I'll do some research. If any of you guys know anything about that, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. So, really happy we got it down in one piece. Ordnance flight went great, guys, except the whole like motor thing. I'm not sure what that was even about. So, but it sounds fine now. So, anyways, no damage. Couldn't be happier, except for the problem. Anyways, Jay and Ashley with Hamilton's Hangar. We'll see you guys.
Peace.